Good morning, dear students. On Wednesday, we studied classification of animals, and today we will write questions and answers of this lesson. That is lesson number 3, diversity in living things and their classification. So, open your science notebook and science textbook. You will write this lesson's name on new page. Write lesson number 3, diversity in living things and their classification. This was homework given to you. After writing the name of the lesson, you will write these important words. There are 20 important words. If you have not written, you will write now. Dear students, you will take the screenshot and you can continue writing, or you can pause the video and you can write in your science notebook. After writing important words, you will write the activity which I told you to write from the textbook on Wednesday. So after writing the activity from the textbook which I taught you on Wednesday, after writing that activity, you will write question number 1, match the pairs. So draw the table A group, B group. First one is amphibian and its answer is a frog. Second one, vertebrate, and its answer is a monkey. And the third one with scales, and its answer is a snake. You can pause the video and write, or you can take the screenshot and you can write these questions and answers in your science notebook with good handwriting. The next question is, who is the odd one out? Question number 2, who is the odd one out? This is the 4th, 5th and 6th question from the odd one out. Question number 3, What is the difference? And the first question is flowering plants and non-flowering plants. So you will draw a table with pencil and you will write the difference between flowering plants and non-flowering plants. The next one is a tree, a shrub. Third one, vertebrates and invertebrates. The next one, question number 4, true or false? Question number 5, write two names of each. The fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth question of write two names of each. Now question number 6, write answers to the following. First one, what are the parts of a plant? Second question, What are the functions of the root? And the third question, why is it necessary to classify living things? The fourth one, what are the criteria used to classify living things? And the fifth question, tell some characteristics of creepers. Next, explain the characteristics of herbs with two examples. Dear students, the seventh answer continues on the next page. That is, they have asked on the basis of which criteria will you classify plants and animals. So this is how the plants are classified. Plants are classified on the basis of these 4 points. And on the next page, there is how animals are classified on the basis of. So the answer of the seventh one continues here. The eighth one, what protects the bodies of animals? And the last question, draw figures. Draw the figure of a plant to show the parts, namely the root, stem, and leaves in it. Dear students, here you can use colors also. You can use colors for drawing and coloring. But do not forget to label the parts of the plants. Dear students, you will label the parts of plants with pencil. Don't use pen. That is, you will write these fruits, leaf, roots, flower and stem with pencil. So these were the questions and answers of lesson number 3. Dear students, you will complete your notebook. Right? This question, I hope you must have written these questions and answers with your good handwriting. Now take the photos of these pages and send it on my WhatsApp number. You will submit this homework today itself. That's all, dear students. Stay home, stay safe.